Yeah, yeah. Windows down. Prepare yourself. We're not leaving. It's all Evelyn. Yeah, yeah. Woodland Hills, Granada Hills, Glendale, hey, Beverly Hills, Studio City, Valley to the sea. Doesn't matter where you live, it's LA to me. Woodland Hills, Granada Hills, Glendale, hey, Beverly Hills. Left lane crime, right lane chill. Same damn city, different hill. One Beverly Hills, everything clean. Sidewalks shining like a movie scene. Everyone smiling, everyone fed. Walking tiny dogs with expensive shit. Green juice mornings, yoga on repeat. No one's rushing, but no one's weak. Wrinkles hidden, pain in disguise. Even the stress here moisturized. Problems wrapped in designer bags. Worry looks good when the money stacks. Health is fashion, youth is law. Hair and suffering looks like Woodland Hills, Granada Hills, Glendale, hey, Beverly Hills, Studio City, Valley to the sea. Doesn't matter where you live, it's LA to me. Hollywood bill of dust, stars on the floor. Everybody famous, nobody sure. Lights so bright they blind your face, but the smell hits first when you know the place. Dreams in line for a casting call. Hope gets drunk then starts to fall. Tourists smiling, locals numb. Everybody waiting for maybe someday to come. You came from magic, scripts and fame. City says cool, forgets your name. Stars in the sky, piss on the street. Welcome to Hollywood, enjoy the seat. Woodland Hills, Granada Hills, Glendale, hey, Beverly Hills, Studio City, Valley to the sea. Doesn't matter where you live, it's LA to me. Malibu blue, ocean calm. Postcard view like a holy song. But look up the hill, scars still there. Fire took memories, left the air. Empty houses, foundations burned. Lessons learned but never returned. Nature quiet, money gone. Ocean still sings like nothing's wrong. Sun says beautiful, silence loud. Beauty survives but it's not proud. Let it remind you, don't get used to the view. Today it's heaven, tomorrow it's through. Woodland Hills, Granada Hills, Glendale, hey, Beverly Hills, Studio City, Valley to the sea. Doesn't matter where you live, it's LA to me. Downtown glass, scraping the sky. Suits walk fast, don't look them in the eye. 5-star lunches, rooftop wine. 10 steps away, a different life. Skid Row tents, stories untold. Same city breathing, hot and cold. Rich and poor share the same sun. Different races, same long run. Crypto dreams and cardboard beds. Hope survives where logic's dead. This is LA with the makeup gone. Still dancing while the city's torn. Woodland Hills, Granada Hills, Glendale, hey, Beverly Hills. From the valley down to the sea, laugh at it or love it, it's LA, baby.
Yeah, still in traffic, still LA.